Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Navyashri HS, pursuing first year CS Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am here to discuss the topic which comes under Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, that is lathe. Now in this video we are going to discuss the following: definition of lathe, parts of lathe, working principle of lathe, operations of lathe, types of lathe, advantages and disadvantages of lathe, applications of lathe. First, we discuss about definition of lathe. A lathe machine is a machine tool that is used to remove unwanted material from a rotating workpiece in a form of chips. This is accomplished with the use of a tool that transfers across the workpiece and feeds into it. The machine is used to accomplish all fundamental operations including drilling, sawing, tapping and turning among others with the head of various tools located in the work area. Hence, the lathe is also referred to as the mother of all machines. Next, we are going to discuss about parts of lathe. Bed. The bed of lathe machine serves as the foundation upon which all other components are installed. The bed is supported by large box section columns and is made of cast iron or a nickel cast iron alloy. Edge stock. The edge stock is mounted on the left side of the lathe bed. Its primary duty is to transmit electricity to the components. Lathe chuck. Chucks are specialized clamps made to hold objects having radial symmetry such as cylinders. They typically have jaws to secure the workpiece. Lathe spindle. An essential rotating part of a lathe stock is the spindle. It contains a shaft that transfers rotatory motion to the chuck, thereby turning the workpiece. Tailstock. The tailstock is a movable casting opposite to the headstock that is mounted on the guideways on the bed. It holds tools for operations like drilling, reaming, tapping, etc. Next, dead center. The workpiece is held in place while it is rotating using a dead center, not freely rotated, that is dead. There may be a friction on the dead center due to the rotation of the workpiece when employed in the stationary position. Carriage. The carriage can be found in the area between the tailstock and headstock during operations. The carriage serves as a guide, supports and feeds the tool against the workpiece. Saddle. It is cast in the shape of an H and installed on top of the lathe. It supports the cross slide, the compound rest and the tool post. Manual or automatic feeding is employed to move the saddle. Cross slide. It is positioned on the saddle such that it is perpendicular to the bed. One side of cross slide is equipped with a female dovetail and it is joined on top of the saddle using its male dovetail. Compound rest. The compound rest joins the cross slide with the compound slide using a tongue and groove joint. It supports the cutting tool and tool post during the drilling of short tapers and shape of the forming units. Tool post. The tool post is mounted on the count rest and is used to carry cutting tool holders. The holders are supported by a wedge with a bottom that fits into a ring with a concave surface. Apron. An apron is the front section of a carriage. It includes all control keys. The apron is made up of split nuts that engage with the lead screw when cutting threads as well as gears and clutches for transferring motion from the feed rod to the carriage. Lead screw. A lead screw is used as a linkage in a machine to convert turning motion into linear motion, and it is also referred to as a power screw or a translation screw. This is all about the parts of lathe. Next, we are going to discuss about working principle of lathe machine. The working principle involves rotating a workpiece against a fixed cutting tool. As seen in the figure above, the chuck and the tailstock hold the workpiece to be machined. The tool is moved horizontally or vertically along the surface of the workpiece to create circumferential or deep cuts respectively. The tool is moved in an inclined plane along the vertical to produce tapered surfaces on the workpiece. Apart from this, normal cutting operations are performed on the lathe as the workpiece is firmly fixed between the centers. Next, we are going to discuss about lathe machine operations. Turning, facing, drilling, boring are the lathe machine operations. First, we discuss about turning. The process of reducing the external diameter of a cylindrical workpiece using a single point cutting tool as shown in the animation below is called turning. The process has types such as taper turning, straight turning, prolifing and external growing. Facing. The process of reducing the overall length of the workpiece and producing a flat surface as a result is called facing operation. We can use a normal turning tool for this operation as shown in the animation below. Next, drilling. The process of creating a cylindrical hole in a workpiece by rotating the cutting edge of a drill is called drilling. The tool used is called a drill bit, which is mounted onto the tailstock or dead center instead of the tool post as shown in the image below. Boring. The boring operation on lathe machine involves enlarging a hole previously drilled, sometimes to create circular interior grooves. Holes can be drilled straight or tapered. In this process also the boring tool is attached to the tailstock. Next we are going to discuss about the types of lathe machines. Center or engine lathe, speed lathe, turret lathe, capstan lathe, tool room lathe, bench lathe, gap bed lathe, hollow spindle lathe, vertical turret lathe, CNC lathe machine. These are all the types of lathe machines. Next we are going to discuss about advantages of lathe machines. A machine to leave a legacy and remain used throughout history should have some remarkable advantages. Below are some of the notable advantages of using a lathe machine. The final quality of lathe machine is always high and acceptable, especially while working with CNCs. All the operations discussed above can be done at high speeds. Due to this, a lot of time is saved from switching between various dedicated machines for a small job. As most lathes are affordable, there is reduction in initial investment compared to profit. The biggest advantage is the ability to cut threads with ease on the machine. Next, disadvantages of lathe machine. As the advancement in technology made so many improvements to these ancient machines, the disadvantages of these machines became evident. Some of them are discussed below. There should be constant maintenance of these machines like lubrication, cleaning and checking the fastness. Obviously, this demands skills labors to operate. CNC machines need operators who know to program the operation. This infers a demand for training. Shape and structure are limited, and hence the weight of the machine remains almost the same. At last, we are going to discuss about applications of lathe. The application of lathe machine is generally dependent on type of machine. However, some common applications are listed below. Kitchenware like utensils and pressure cookers, woodworking industries, almost every manufacturing industry that deals with cylindrical metal parts, metal resortation industries, precision part manufacturing like customized cutting tools. This is all about the topic. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and share with your friends.